Tattooing is more than a service, it's a ritual. Whether it's someone's first ink or their 50th, they're walking into your shop with a story. But while they're focused on the experience, one major thing often causes a disruption. Cash. Many tattoo shops prefer or require cash payments, especially for tips or small services, but clients don't always come prepared. So what happens next? They leave to find an ATM, sometimes blocks away, and you're left waiting hoping they return. In this video, we're showing why adding an ATM to your tattoo shop can completely shift that narrative. It's about more than just cash access. It's about improving the customer journey, keeping money in your business, and generating passive income while you focus on what you do best, creating art. Section 1. Understanding client behavior. Let's start with the customer. Most tattoo clients don't operate like shoppers in a mall. They plan, they anticipate, they build up the moment. But even with all that planning, cash often becomes an afterthought. A quick design touch-up? $60. Impulsive walk-in on payday? $150. Without cash on hand, their only option is to leave and come back. But studies show 1 in 3 consumers who leave to get cash never return. Frustration and friction in the payment process lead to decreased client satisfaction. And think about it. Tattoos aren't cheap. Customers want convenience and assurance that they can complete their session smoothly. And even when they do leave to get cash, they may pay a higher ATM fee, walk longer distances, or get distracted along the way. Worse still, some clients may come up short at the last second, leading to discounts, IOUs, or awkward conversations. With an in-house ATM, all of that disappears. You're offering a one-stop experience, art, atmosphere, and access to cash. That's the kind of customer-first mindset that builds loyalty and drives referrals. Section 2. Artist and owner advantages. Now let's talk money, from your perspective. Tattoo shops already work on tight margins. Equipment, ink, licensing, rent, it adds up fast. So what if you could install an additional income stream that doesn't interfere with your day-to-day? That's what a store-based ATM offers. No upfront cost, no need to manage inventory, no staff training required. In most models, the ATM provider handles the machine itself, the software and connectivity, the cash loading, the service and maintenance. What do you get? A share of every single transaction. For example, let's say your machine gets 20 transactions a day. Each has a $3 surcharge. With a 50/50th revenue split, you're earning $30 daily, over $900 per month. That's more than some artists make in a slow week, and all from a 2-foot square corner of your lobby. It's literally making money while you ink. Beyond that, you're also avoiding card processing fees, which can range from 2.5% to 4%. On a $500 full back piece, that's $20 gone just for swiping a card. Instead, the client uses the ATM, and you keep the full amount in cash, tip included. It's efficient, it's simple, and it scales. One of our partners with 3 tattoo shops across Arizona, tattooing is more than a service, it's a ritual. Just from people accessing the cash they already plan to spend. Section 3. Setup and simplicity. If you're wondering how complicated this is to install, good news, it's incredibly easy. Here's how the process typically works. Step 1. Site evaluation. A specialist reviews your shop layout, either virtually or in person, to find the optimal location for placement. Step 2. Agreement setup. You select your surcharge fee and revenue share. Most agreements are month-to-month with no long-term lock-ins. Step 3. Installation day. Within 7 to 10 business days, the ATM is delivered, installed, and connected to power and the internet, often within 2 hours. Step 4. Monitoring and support. Every machine comes with remote monitoring, so if there's ever a paper jam, low cash alert, or network issue, it's flagged instantly. Some machines even allow you to track live usage via mobile app, so you can see exactly how much income your ATM is generating in real time. Security features include EMV chip readers, anti-skimming tech, tamper-proof locks, optional security camera integration, and yes, insurance options are available to protect against vandalism, theft, or liability issues. Best of all, you don't have to touch a thing. No cash handling, no service requests, no stress. Just plug it in and watch it pay for itself month after month. Bonus section, industry trends and why now. You might ask, but isn't everything going cashless? Actually, no. While big box retail trends toward cards and mobile pay, small business and niche service industries like tattoos, piercing, and barbering are trending toward cash. Why? Card processors are tightening restrictions for age-restricted or body modification services. Processing fees keep rising. Cash still provides privacy and freedom for many clients. In fact, a recent survey showed 42% of tattoo clients still prefer cash, and 68% of artists prefer cash tips. Add in the growing interest in pop-up tattoo events, guest artist weekends, and walk-in flash sales, and you're looking at a market that values speed and cash flexibility. Which makes now the perfect time to install an ATM and align your business with the way your clients are already operating. How to get started. So let's recap. An ATM in your tattoo studio helps clients access cash fast, increases tips and walk-in conversion, prevents lost sales, earns you passive income, requires no investment or effort to maintain. This isn't just a smart move, it's an easy one. Most shop owners have their ATM up and running in under 2 weeks and start seeing profit within the first 30 days. Want to find out if your shop qualifies? Click the link below to book your free location assessment today. No strings, no hard sell, just an honest review of your shop's ATM potential. Because every tattoo tells a story, and now your business can tell one too. A story of smart decisions, better experiences, and steady cash flow.